Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and I just wanted to give you a heads up on the OneKey Black Friday promotions where you can get up to 25% off the OneKey products. Now, I've been doing OneKey reviews for many years. I really like the OneKey Classic. It comes in at $99 normally, but you can get 15% off during Black Friday. It has USB and Bluetooth, so you can use this with a computer or your phone. A very affordable solution with a nice screen there, very easy to read. If you want something even more affordable, you can go with the OneKey Classic Pure, which does not have a battery. So it only works with your computer, but has the same nice screen and security as the OneKey Classic. Now, if you really want a high-end, top-of-the-line experience, I would go with the OneKey Pro, which has this beautiful color touchscreen. They also have a lot of other innovative solutions. They have a backup medium, which is very small and easy to use. You can put your backup phrases on there so that they're on something more durable than paper. OneKey also has their OneKey Lite backup card, which is a digital backup. They're very innovative. They were one of the first companies to offer a digital backup card. So let me go over the deals with you here real quick. So as I mentioned, you can get up to 25% if you buy these bundle deals. Here are all the products that I just mentioned. The OneKey Classic, the OneKey Pro, and then that OneKey Lite backup card, along with that OneKey Tag, which is a backup medium for storing your backup phrase. So that's everything at 25% off. And if you get that bundle, you'll save $115. So $346 for all of these, plus they'll throw in that OneKey coffee mug or tea mug. They also have some cheaper bundles if you want. You can get the OneKey Pro and the OneKey Classic S1 Pure, which is the one I mentioned that does not have a battery, but it's a great backup solution for your OneKey Pro. Of course, you've got your seed phrase backups and you've got your digital backups, but it's always good to have a working copy backup, like a mirror backup of your configuration in case your go-to device gets lost, stolen, or damaged. So this is a great setup. They also have a bundle with the OneKey Pro and the OneKey Classic, which I mentioned has the USB and Bluetooth. And if you just want a single device, they've got 15% off. You could get the OneKey Classic or the OneKey Classic Pure. Notice that both of these come in really inexpensive when you apply these Black Friday deals. So I'm going to put links down in the description so you can check out their products and use this opportunity on Black Friday to get really deep discounts. I would encourage you to take advantage of these deals if you're interested in a OneKey product. This is their biggest sale of the year. Now, if you're curious about how these devices work, I have setup videos for all of these devices, so I'll put links to my OneKey setup videos down in the description. My channel focuses on security and education, so I would encourage you to check out my tutorials if you really want to deep dive into how to use these products. And if you're interested in purchasing one, I've got links down in the description that'll take you directly to their site. So if you have any questions about anything I said, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered.